Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. I am so excited. This video is an invitation to an open collab that I am hosting. It's my first one, yay! And I'm hosting it with one of my best YouTube sisters, Karen Jeter. Now if you don't know Karen, you should. She has the biggest heart and the sweetest disposition, and she uploads some of the most creative, I should say, content.
Welcome back, new family. Today we're collabing, and as you saw, it's gonna be an entryway collab. We're gonna be redoing this ugly entryway and make it more summer friendly. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here I am showing you just some of the steps that I took in order to transform our space. And all of these items are things that were just around the house. Nothing was actually purchased to complete this look, so it cost me absolutely nothing. Here I am working on this mirror with some chalk paint, and I'm gonna go in with a second and third coat on it as well. Enjoy, and tell me what you're thinking. Here, I'm putting up some wallpaper, and if you can see, we've also changed the ceiling as well. There's an upcoming video of that very soon. Here we'll use our X-Acto knife to cut off the excess. So our next step is to go ahead and smooth it down to make sure there is no air bubbles. I absolutely love this wallpaper. It's called the grass cloth wallpaper. It meshes well whenever you're adding on to additional pieces. It's undetectable even for the person that was able to put it up and know where the pieces are. It's very hard for you to be able to determine the fact that there was an additional piece added on. And now we're just gonna go ahead and hang our mirror up to make the room look a little more spacious than it did before. Adding a bit of decor. These are pieces that were previously on the wall. We're just repositioning it to give it a different look. And here we're just gonna add some additional yellow so that it brightens up the space. And definitely you want to have your wish jar. This is great for getting you motivated for when your day is starting. It's the first thing that you see, you're thinking about your wishes. And here we have our keys. This is from a previous DIY. And here are the triangles that we had on the wall before. I decided to put them together and put some candles in to give them a completely different vibe. I also updated the light switch and cover just to make sure that it gives you that ambiance of a new feel. And there you have it, folks. This is our final look. I'm giving you two separate looks with the table set, and just to let you know, on this particular table, it is also a DIY. I want you guys to tune in tomorrow. I'm gonna have a video that's gonna be premiering for the table and how it was built. Definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know how you like the design, if there's anything that you would change. I love to hear you guys' opinion. We can chat it up below. And I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. Again, thank you guys for being so supportive, and you enjoy the rest of your week if we don't see you again soon. Thank you. Enjoy.